What's up everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Cash App in this video and how you can lock your debit card. Start off by opening the Cash App up, and then you want to click on your balance that's located in the bottom left hand corner. Once you're here, if you have a Cash App debit card, there's going to be a card that appears right behind your cash balance. Click on it and you'll arrive at this screen. You'll see a lock button right in the middle of the screen. If you want to lock your debit card, just click that button and voila, your Cash App debit card has now been locked. This means that no transactions will go through on your Cash App debit card. If you want to unlock it, just hit that same button again and your card will be unlocked. That does it for this video. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and like this video if you found value in it. There's also a Cash App playlist if you need more tutorials on how to navigate the app. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.